Graham, Stefan, and frankly many others will do their best to convince you that day trading is impossible. They will use studies like this one, which frankly use extremely flawed statistics in order to prove their points. But I want to have a discussion today about this. Is day trading possible? Are people actually making money trading stocks? We had a really good conversation about this on my Twitch live stream this morning, so I'm just going to play that directly into this video. If you guys do enjoy, please be sure to hit the like button. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's jump into the content. Why you shouldn't believe the statistics of how many people fail day trading is because of the ease of access of day trading, right? Anybody that wants to can right now open a brokerage account, deposit however much money they want, and start trading tomorrow. Call it tomorrow, maybe 2 days for their cash to clear. That's the only limitation to day trading is waiting for your cash to clear, right? Most people fail. Because most people just jump in and think that this game is free and easy money. They don't learn anything. They don't take any time to learn. They have no idea what they're doing. I always use the metaphor of building a bridge. If building a bridge was that easy, if anybody could jump in and design a bridge, guess what? They'd all fail too. For whatever reason, however the human brain works, People think that like they can trade. People think they know what they're doing right away, so they jump into it. It's the Dunning-Kruger effect, yeah. This is a well-studied psychological how our brain works kind of phenomena. This idea that the less you know, the more confident you are that you're good at it. This right here is exactly why most people fail trading. Combined with how easy it is to start trading is exactly why you see those statistics of like 90% of day traders fail. I would love to see someone do statistics like that on people that have been trading for at least 2 years. Find people that have been trading for at least 2 years and then run those statistics again. Nobody wants to talk about that though. Because once people lose money in the market, it makes themselves feel much better by going on the internet and saying it's impossible. That's another human emotion. If we can't do something, we think it's impossible for anybody to do, right? They don't want to they don't want to think like any levels deeper. Once they go through all this and they lose their money, they want to believe it's impossible. Day trading's not impossible, chat. There's plenty of people that make a lot of money doing this stuff. I've made money over the last almost 2 years now. Now, preface, I did lose money for a while, but at least when I started trading, I was smart enough that I started trading with really small size. So like before I started making money last year, I was only down like $3,000 in my day trading career. So like I am green overall in my trading career. Luckily, I was at least smart enough to not start with like large size. Please, if you're going to start day trading, start small because you're probably going to lose. Don't put yourself in like a $25,000 hole right away that you then, once you hopefully learn how to trade, you have to dig yourself out of. They treat it like gambling. Yeah. Just jump in and they just want to throw their money at stuff and just like celebrate. They celebrate their wins and they admonish their losses so much. You can tell they're extremely emotional about everything. Yeah. That's most traders' P&L, but they don't go past the bottom. Make 200%, lose 190, then never touch trading again. Yeah, I mean, this is where most people give up, right? They think they know nothing, but they're very confident. Then they realize that they know nothing, and this is where they give up and say trading's impossible. Yeah. And that's also, listen, this same chart right here, if anyone is ever like giving you shit about the way you trade, like, oh my God, I can't believe you lost money, or why would you do that? Why would you do this? You should have. Those are these people. Those are always these people. They're the people that don't know a lot but think they do. Right? Because these people, like once you get here, and this is for anything, by the way, this isn't for just trading. But these people that have been through this don't bash you, right? They don't look back and bash what you're doing because they've been through it. They understand, right? They actually know things and they understand. Whenever you see someone bashing someone about their trading or anything in life, really, it's these people. Pretty much the easiest way to know someone doesn't make money in the market is if they're trying to like shit on how someone else trades, you know? My favorite rebuttal is you should have just put your money in the roulette table. Yeah. Yep. Listen, trading is gambling. Trading is gambling, but your job is to get on the other side of the roulette table, right? Your job is to be the guy rolling the roulette ball. Your job is to get the odds in your favor. That's your job. The roulette, the dealer is still gambling. They just have odds in their favor. And that's the beauty of the markets, man. Listen, the markets are nothing but an extremely large data warehouse. It's maybe one of the largest data warehouses in the world. And wherever there is data, there is opportunity to find statistical edges, you know? It can be daunting thinking of the market as just data, but it should also be uplifting, you know? Wherever you have a data warehouse, you have the ability to derive statistics that you can make work in your favor. Your job is to create the casino game that gives you the advantage. So yes, not only do I believe it is possible to make money day trading, but I'm living proof that it can be done. I've been profitable now for the last 2 years. The issue comes up with the difficulty that it takes to get to this point, right? I just said I've been making money for the last 2 years. I've been trading for 8 years. So I went through a lot of pain and then a lot of just sort of stagnation of going sideways for a long time before I got to this point. And that's where the root of this conversation always comes from. It always comes from people that attempted to trade, failed, and gave up, which I'm not trying to hate, is fair enough. But remember, anybody is allowed to give opinions on the internet. You are going to get extremely negative connotations around anything on the internet that is difficult yet extremely easy to access, no matter what it is, and especially if it circles around making money as stock trading does, right? You guys, if you've been in this game at all, probably know how opinionated people get when it comes to money, right? So take it all with a grain of salt, understand that it is possible, and continue pushing. Continue educating yourself. This is an extremely complex game. Nothing about this is easy. We are trading against the largest funds in the world. We are trading against supercomputers. Our job is to cut ourselves an edge, find our little slice of the pie, create our greater than 50% money odds in the market, just as the casino does, and to win with volume over time, right? Our job is not to predict the market. It's not to know what stocks are going to do. It's not to win every trade. It's not to make thousands of % a year. It's to make money over time that outperforms the performance of the S&P 500. And that is certainly possible to do with day trading. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hit like if you did. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Check out my website at the first link in the description down below if you would like to get a head start on some day trading strategies yourself. With all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video, but make sure to click on this video here if you would like to study one of my swing trading strategies that does make money over time.